Hello, my amazing friend, and welcome to EduTalks. My name is Marco, and I am so happy you are here with me today. Take a deep breath, relax, and give yourself a big smile. You are in the perfect place to improve your English step by step. Every time you listen, you are getting closer to speaking confidently and naturally. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever felt confused about small but tricky English words like in, on, and at? You see them everywhere, in conversations, books, and even in songs, but sometimes they feel like a puzzle. Should you say in Monday or on Monday? At the morning or in the morning? So many learners struggle with this, and it can be really frustrating. But today I have a simple trick to make it all clear. I will introduce a pyramid method that organizes everything in a way you can remember easily. After this episode, you will know exactly how to use in, on, and at, both for time and for place. You will feel more confident every time you speak English. If you want more lessons like this, make sure to subscribe to EduTalks right now. That way you never miss a chance to grow and improve your English step by step. Now, let us move up the pyramid to on. We use on when the time is more specific and defined. Think of days of the week and specific dates on the calendar. Examples: my flight departs on Tuesday. Our project is due on October 21st. The whole family gathers on New Year's Day. I usually do my laundry on Sundays. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. The conference call is on Friday. One more time, with confidence. The conference call is on Friday. Excellent. Another one. The national holiday is on the 1st of May. Again. The national holiday is on the 1st of May. Perfect. So, to lock it in, remember, on Monday, on March 1st, on my anniversary, on Independence Day. Now, at the very peak of our pyramid, we have at. We use at for the most precise and exact times. These are the moments you can point to on a clock or specific points in time. Examples: let's begin the meeting at 9. The concert is scheduled at 7:45. His favorite show airs at 8 p.m. They go for a jog at sunrise. Now, say this with me. The bus arrives at 11:20. Once more, clearly. The bus arrives at 11:20. Wonderful job. So, to summarize this top level, at 5 o'clock, at noon, at midnight, at dinner time. Let's bring it all together. Use in for the broad categories of time, months, years, seasons, and general parts of the day. Use on for the more specific markers, days, and specific dates. Use at for the pinpoints, exact clock times, and very specific moments. This pyramid structure transforms a confusing topic into something simple and visual. If you are finding this clear method helpful, please remember to subscribe to the EduTalks right now. Every lesson is designed to be straightforward, enjoyable, and tailored for your learning journey. Now, let's apply this same reliable pyramid to talk about places. We begin once again with in. Remember, in is used for large general areas or for spaces that feel enclosed and have boundaries. Examples: he works in a large office building. The cat is sleeping in the bedroom. They are vacationing in Italy. Your passport should be in your suitcase. I read about it in a magazine. Let's practice this together. Repeat after me. There is juice in the bottle. Again, nice and clear. There is juice in the bottle. Great work. So to keep it straight, think in the park, in the country, in the room, in the drawer. Now we move up to one. For places, we use on for surfaces. Imagine something is touching or resting on top of something else. It can also be used for lines, like roads or rivers, and for public transport where you can stand and walk. Examples: your coffee cup is on the desk. There is a beautiful painting on the wall. Please wait for me on the platform. We spent the afternoon on the beach. He is currently on the plane to Paris. Say this sentence with me. The notebook is on the chair. One more time. The notebook is on the chair. Perfect. Now, for the most specific level, we use at. We use at for exact, specific points or locations. These are often specific addresses or particular points of interest. Examples: I will see you at the bus stop. They are at the movies. turn left at the traffic light. We had lunch at a great restaurant. Repeat after me. Let's meet at the main entrance. Again, let's meet at the main entrance. Excellent. So to recap the place pyramid, in is for the general or enclosed area, on is for the surface or line, and at is for the most exact, specific location. Of course, English has its special cases that make it unique. These are common phrases where the preposition doesn't perfectly follow the main rule, but they are used so often you just need to learn them. Let's look at them one by one. First, we say at night. We do not say in night. Example, the stars are beautiful at night. However, we do say in the morning and in the afternoon. Practice this one. The city is very lively at night. Second, let's compare at home and in the house. At home is a more general concept of being in your own dwelling. In the house is more physical, specifying you are inside the building structure. Example, I stayed at home all day, but my keys are in the house. Another common pair is at work versus in the office. At work means you are engaged in your job, while in the office specifies the physical location. Example, she is at work right now. She is probably in her office. Third, with technology and media, we often use on. We say on the phone, on the television, on the radio, on the internet. Repeat this common phrase with me. I heard the news on the radio. I had a student named Luca who always mixed up in and at for places. He would say, I am waiting in the cinema, when he meant the specific meeting point. After practicing the pyramid, he understood to say, I am waiting at the cinema. This small correction made a huge difference in his fluency and confidence. You can achieve the same result. With consistent practice, this pyramid will become second nature. Every time you need to choose a preposition, you will visualize the levels and feel more certain. Now it's time to test your understanding. I will say a sentence with a blank. You decide if it should be in, on, or at. Ready? Number 1. My birthday is September. The answer is in. Number 2. Let's have a call Wednesday. The answer is on. Number 3. The shop opens 10 a.m. sharp. The answer is at. Number 4. They are swimming the pool. The answer is in. Number 5. I left your documents on the desk. The answer is on. Number 6. We landed the airport. The answer is at. Fantastic work! You should be very proud of your progress. You are learning quickly and effectively. Let's do a final quick review. In equals general time and large or enclosed places. On equals specific days, dates, and surfaces. At equals exact times and precise points or locations. And don't forget those common exceptions. At night, at home versus in the house, and on the phone. This is the power of the pyramid trick. It keeps everything simple. It keeps everything clear. My dear friend, you did an incredible job today. Every sentence you practiced, every example you repeated, took you one step closer to fluent and confident English. Remember, progress comes with small, steady steps, and you are moving forward beautifully. Keep repeating, keep smiling, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Each time you practice with focus and joy, your English becomes stronger, smoother, and more natural. You don't need to rush, you just need to keep going. If this lesson helped you, make sure to subscribe to EduTalks right now. Join our growing community of learners who are improving their English every single day. Together, step by step, we'll make English simple, clear, and a fun part of your daily routine. I'm Marco, and this was your lesson on in, on, and at. 3 small words that make a big difference in your speaking and understanding. Thank you for taking the time to learn with me today. Always remember, you're not just learning English, you're building confidence, creating opportunities, and shaping your future. Keep practicing, keep believing, and never stop growing. Until next time, stay positive, stay curious, and keep shining with your words. This is Marco from EduTalks, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care and keep speaking with confidence.